What's up, everybody? Let's go FL5 pure sound vid. Haven't had a chance to do one of these yet, so I'm letting that little Civic get ahead of me a little bit so I can blast my high beams. Alright, here we go. Pure sound. Have a listen. Should have waited a little bit longer. Thank you, my guy. Now I've caught this guy. Let's see what he's got. Not too bad there. We got a little wide there. Not too bad on the brakes there. He kind of double braked it. I let him through, now he let me through. This Type R is so good when it comes around corners. So addicting. Continentals, they hold up very well. Yeah, they hold up very well. I like these Continentals a lot. I have a little bit of an exhaust rattle now. It wasn't there before. Stuff loosens up over time. Might be some CHP up here, so it is Saturday night, and they might be hanging out around here, so you can't go too ham, you know. Might be some motherfucking spinning out here too. That shit has happened too often. That turns a lot sharper than you think, and so is this one. One misstep there. That's where a lot of the cars seem to crash. Cars hanging out. Not really what I want to do. I'm just trying to get home now. Love it. So much mechanical grip. Good brakes, Type-R. Good brakes. I don't like to tailgate people, you know, on these mountain roads. I let them know I'm here, but give him some space so he can make a sudden move if he needs to. You know, if he wants to use a turnout for me, great. If he doesn't, great, right? I'd rather he use a turnout, but I'm not gonna force my way through. I'm not gonna make him use the turnout, you know? He has the right to be in the road too. In California, the rule is when there are 5 cars behind you, then you have to move out of the way. Thank you, big guy. downhill section. I just love this section right here. This is probably my favorite section of the 9 downhill. You know, it's such a good section. It's tight, it's twisty. You gotta use your brakes and your shifting. At the right points, throttle control. A lot of skill here. Hard on the brakes there to come down on this left hairpin. And traffic again. So much traffic tonight. I mean, it is only 10:45, so thank you, my guy. Thank you, my guy. Yes, that little downhill section and then into this hairpin. So good. Takes a while to get good at, to get confident at downhill. Because you're carrying so much more speed. You gotta learn how to scrub it and also carry it. I like that section because it's the most technical. This section coming up is pretty fun too, though. It's just a bunch of switchbacks. It's a very flowy section. Carry the right speed, you can just control your throttle through and not have to brake. You can feel the car slide around and stuff. It's so fun. Yeah, it's so much fun right there. These switchbacks are a joy to just fly through. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Pure Sound FL5. Could have been a little bit better, but you know, a little bit of traffic here and there, but that's all right, you know. Kind of holds you in check. It just reminds you that there's still people out here even this late at night, so you know, don't go too ham. Just go fast enough to have some fun, you know. And stay safe, guys. Keep the wheels on the road. Eyes up. Hands at 10 and 2. And happy driving, safe driving. And we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.